In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fit image in Canva frame. First, you can see I open a design on my Canva account. Currently, I'm using MacBook. If you are using to another like Android PC, same method. Actually, click on this element. Then here are lots of things. As I choose frame, example of this one. This is my frame. Now I need to import an image, right? I'm going on download, sorry, upload. So this is my image. Then just drag and drop on this frame. Okay, just drag and drop on this. Wow, you can see it's already fitting to this frame. So this is a method how can add an image on Canva frame. Thanks for watching. See you again.